I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and welcome aboard Double Shot. Double Shot is a 2003 Stanley 38 built by John Williams Boat Company up in Maine. This boat is absolutely gorgeous. The bright work is impeccable. She's got a lot of great upgrades. The boat was repowered in 2017. She's got newer Garmin touchscreen electronics, new non-skid decking. The list goes on and on. There's a bunch of great stuff on board this boat. Soft goods are in great condition. This boat is going in the water in a few weeks, but I just couldn't wait to take you guys through it. We wanted to get the boat up on the market, so let me take you through Double Shot. All right, so here we are, the indoor storage facility at Kirby Marine in Portsmouth, taking a look at Double Shot. Up here on the boat next door, but we'll walk around, take a look at the swim platform, and hop into the cockpit. So there's bow thruster. Take a look at the keel there. And running gear. Big rudder. 5-blade prop, which does have a line cutter on there. And take a look here at the trim tabs. And then nice teak swim platform with the stainless steel folding ladder. The gray hull color is actually a vinyl wrap. Looks awesome. Love that medium gray. We'll hop up here. So stepping into the cockpit, the first thing that strikes you is these beautiful teak accents, the Herreshoff interior, Herreshoff style, beautiful teak chairs, a nice Harkin winch here. We do have the mast on the boat. This owner has this Dyer dinghy that they lift on and off with the mast. This dinghy does not go with the boat. This has sentimental value to the owner, wants to keep it. You can see the paint on here. Non-skid was done recently in excellent condition. And one of my favorite features is this cockpit shower here. Little outdoor shower, which we all love here in New England. And then I've stowed the stairs over here just to make it easier to walk around, but the stairs do mount both port and starboard for easy side access. Of course, without the dinghy here in the cockpit, you have a ton more room, can set these chairs up a bit differently than we can now. This nice little lounge here to starboard with the helm chair. And this uniquely has a side access door here at the helm, so you can get easy access out to the side deck, which is really quite awesome. Isinglass curtain that goes here is out, and there's obviously isinglass back aft here as well. Those are stowed for now. We'll get some photos and video of that when the boat goes in the water, but she does need to be trucked over road to where she's going. So newer Garmin electronics, these were put in recently, touchscreen, and the tri-data display up here, Simrad autopilot, VHF radio, side power bow thruster here. Got 940 hours on the Yanmar diesel. That was replaced in 2017, repowered in 2017. Nice comfortable setup here. Xantrex battery charger. And then to port, we have the galley. Nice fridge freezer combo here. Very modern. Just love this setup. Custom knife block storage up here. These two windows open up. On the port side, of course, you can open up the isinglass here like it is now, and then all three windows open up as well. So very easy to get fresh air into the pilot house here. And check out these cool handholds. Just really like that. They are easily removable, but one on each side. It's a pretty cool feature there. Stainless steel countertops integrated with the sink. Over here we've got our cutting board and then the 3-burner propane cooktop and sort of a little coffee bar setup here and storage for plates and all of your cutlery. Very clever layout. We've got good storage here under the helm seat. Got some blankets there. And heading down below, take a look at the accommodations. Beautiful centerline queen forward. And I love these 2 little quarter berths here. Very much a sailboat style setup. If you have kids or grandkids, this is an amazing, amazing layout for you. So they each get their own bunk there. Of course, the larger queen size berth here. Forward, I've got lots of storage down here. I've got the shelves up top, drawers, little cubby there with 110 outlet, 12-volt fans, 2 reading lights forward, and the beautiful battened hull sides here. Storage, lots and lots of storage. This locker, I've got some things stowed in that were out for the winter. There's a Cruisair air conditioner with reverse cycle heat in there, but it also has a diesel heater and a nice wet head here. And check out the electrical panel. We're right below the helm here, so everything really easy to see. And we can take a look at the mechanical space. So this boat has an electric hatch there's our windlass breaker, of course, but I also have a hatch. So that thing flies up pretty quickly there. And we'll get a look at the Yanmar. It's a 370 horse Yanmar. She just had the 1,000-hour service done just this winter. See, there's a new turbo on there as well. Everything looks pretty good in here. Easy access to the shaft back there. Seawater intake, fire suppression system, and our fuel raycore. Hop on deck. Again, the non-skid is super grippy. Feels new. Nice little seat there forward. On the sprit, Lumar stainless steel windlass. And there's the up pedal here. And you saw the switch at the helm. And of course, here's our mast stowed here. I just put the radar on the back there. Of course, that gets mounted here. They've got it removed for getting it in here to the building and over the road. And then we've got a life raft off here to starboard. And non-skid on the roof too, really awesome to have the kids jump off. Thank you for watching this walkthrough tour of Double Shot. If you're interested in this vessel and have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is right below the video. Feel free to call, text, or email me directly. And like I mentioned, this boat will be going in the water in a few weeks, so we'll have all updated new photos and an updated walkthrough video at that time. So thank you for watching.